Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Wix with Google Pay in 2026. Google Pay gives your customer a fast and secure checkout experience across devices. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Wix with Google Pay in 2026. Now, the first thing you want to do is to verify your eligibility. You must choose Wix Payments. So in order to do that, you're going to go to manage.wix.com and make sure to log in with your Google account or your Wix account. After that, you're going to use the Wix payments, and Google Pay availability depends on your country. You're going to go here, you're going to go to your settings, and there you're going to click on accept payments. And here you're going to see the payment options that are available in your country. As you can see here, you can change your country. For example, I'm going to choose the USA. I'm going to click on the United States and I'm going to click on choose. And as you can see here, there are a lot of payment methods. I'm going to click on Google Pay from here. I'm going to click on it, click on connect. And here you're going to click on yes, I do. Then you're going to choose or like this, depending on your needs. And then you're going to choose the Google Pay option. Now, after that, you're going to enable Google Pay by opening Wix here and choose the Wix payments and toggle Google Pay on. And then you're going to save and publish. You're going to save the settings and then publish your site and check the checkout, test the checkout flow. Now, Google Pay improves mobile conversions and combine with Apple Pay for match reach. And always test for after publishing. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you integrate Wix with Google Pay in 2026 for faster, smoother payments. This was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.